Hey everyone, I'm Derek Lucero and welcome to Unplugged Performance Fremont. So we just opened this location. We want to bring Unplugged Performance to Fremont and also the Northern California and Bay Area to support all our local Tesla owners up here. We're looking to kind of bring in the same kind of services offered down in LA. Everything from alignments, tires, wheels, suspension, brakes. Really the full spectrum of everything Unplugged offers. So feel free to stop by or call us anytime, and we're looking forward to you guys. Thanks for coming, everybody. We all really appreciate it. It's really awesome that we got this turnout. At first we're like, man, maybe 30 people's gonna show up, but this is crazy. It's awesome. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate all the support. It's been really great. You never know what's gonna happen. When you do stuff like this. It's off to a great start, and I really appreciate it from everybody. It's Earth Titanium. Number 876. 852. Well, we wouldn't be here without you guys. So, really appreciate it. Thanks everybody so much for coming. And if you ever need anything for your Teslas, you know where to find us. Thanks everybody for coming. I really appreciate it.